Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to review the Batman DC Rebirth from McFarlane Toys. So let's start with the head. Meron siyang black cowl with smaller ears. Tapos white eyes, pointed nose. Okay naman yung skin tone niya. And yung expression niya very neutral. Tapos kita din yung lines dun sa kanyang cowl, very deep, which gives him a menacing look. Tapos meron siyang cape. Yung inside ng cape niya purple. Tapos yung labas it's color black. Then you have the Batman logo. Yung Batman logo meron siyang outline na yellow. Then you also have a gray suit, hindi siya black. Tapos dark gray din tong dark gray yung yung kanyang cape din. And yung gauntlet niya gray din. Tapos itong kanyang grappling gun uh, color gray din. Yung grappling gun niya medyo pointy lang yung yung blade. So be careful sa mga kids. You also have the yellow belt, very stylish na design ng belt. So you have the lower buckle and then higher part dito sa may sides. Then you have the legs and the boots. Ang ganda ng knee pads niya. Batman yung silhouette yung shape ng kanyang knee pads. Then you also have the boots, the straps, tapos yung feet sa ilalim. Okay, in terms of articulation, you can rotate, you can move the head up, down, left, right, 360, pwede. You can move the arms up, down, 360. Yes, you can do 360. Hindi, medyo nakaharang. Okay. Tapos, stretch and ab crunch, pwede rin. Side to side movement, yes, pwede. Tapos, meron din pala dito crunch, okay? Meron siyang cut dito, may cut din dito sa waist, sa lower part. Okay, double jointed elbow, ball joint yung kanyang wrist. Ano tama ba? Nasa ball joint. You can up and down, pwede rin yan. Gagalaw din yan. Tapos, you can kick that far. Double jointed knees. Okay? And yung paa nasa ball joint din siya. Meron din toe articulation. Very nice. Yeah, overall, this is a very nice Batman action figure from McFarlane Toys. Gagawin natin ditong custom. Mimix natin siya with the armor of Heatwave. So yun mga ma'am, sir, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.